PostgreSQL DBA, one of the most demanding job role in database stack. As a Postgres DBA, we will be involved in managing, maintenance, security and optimization of open source Postgres databases. This particular job role, PostgreSQL DBA, is evergreen, always in demand. The most common responsibilities include architectural design and management, health monitoring of databases, backup, recovery, jobs, maintenance plans, statistics, health checks, security, migrations, upgrades, and lot more. In our training classes, we will be teaching you step by step with complete hands-on on all aspects of PostgreSQL DBA, making you job ready. The Postgres DBA has good amount of job roles right now in the market. If you are looking for high salary range, if you are looking for steady growth in your career, then Postgres DBA is one of the preferred job role. Now, who can become a DBA? A starter, experienced, or if in case you have some gap in your profession, IT, non-IT, anyone, everyone can step into Postgres DBA and become a certified database administrator. At SQL School, we are here to provide you, we are here to make you a successful, safe Postgres DBA database administrator with our real-time practice and project work for your hands-on activities and resume. Now let's understand slowly, step by step, what we actually learn in our detailed course. Before that, what we do as a DBA. As a database administrator, we will be involved in optimizations, table concepts, table optimizations and table tuning, query tuning, database tuning, execution plan analysis, log management, deadlock activities, health checks, backup, restores, schedules, maintenance plans, alerts, security management, migrations, updates, rebuilds and repairs, cloud migrations, patchwork activities, AI search, artificial intelligence activities in Azure, Microsoft Cloud with respect to Postgres. We have something called Azure PaaS and IaaS, virtual machines with respect to Postgres implementations, mirroring activities and so on. In our PostgreSQL DBA concepts with Azure, we divided the entire course into 3 modules. Module 1, the main Postgres DBA concepts without touching cloud. Module 2 is completely into cloud, Azure cloud. And finally, more importantly, module 3, it is into real-time projects for your resume and job safety. The module 1 PostgreSQL DBA involves from basics, from the very basics of the overview of Postgres, history evaluation, features and versions, and detailed architecture. Then comes installations. We will be teaching you how to do the installations on Windows. We will be teaching you how to do installations on Linux. Then we proceed for chapter number 3. That involves configurations of files and data directories in Postgres. Then comes very important concept, database clusters. Configuration of clusters. Stopping, starting and playing with the service configurations of clusters. Both Windows and Linux implementations of Postgres clusters. Then comes processor and memory architecture. Mainly for the purpose of query tuning and optimizations in Postgres, we will be relying mostly on this particular chapter content throughout the course. Then comes database objects, users, schema creations and security permissions in Postgres. We will be learning about the various tools we have in Postgres towards management activities like PSQL, pgadmin, pgcatalog, information schema, metadata activities. We need to learn about CRUD concepts: create, select, insert, update, deletes, drop and truncate concepts including alters. We'll be learning about table spaces, backups, restores, advanced backups and restores. We'll be working with something called MVCC, multi-version concurrency control. This is one of the main backbone concepts for a Postgres DBA, the MVCC. We'll be learning about various how-tos, benefits, and transaction concepts. We'll be learning various maintenance activities like vacuum, analyze, statistics, and auto vacuum concepts. We'll be learning about joins and constraints mainly for audits and tuning. We'll be learning about indexes and index types in Postgres. We'll be learning about the performance tuning concepts that involves query tuning, execution plan analysis. We'll be learning about configuration tunings, monitoring, maintenance, and hardware tuning activities. We'll be learning about the concepts of PG loader, foreign data wrapper, that is FDW, moving, copying, exporting, importing the data imports and data loads, including few other additional techniques for your job work. There are few extensions that we need to learn in our classes. We are going to take in detail all these extension types in Postgres. Then comes HADR, high availability and disaster recovery, replication configurations, primary, secondary setups, streaming replications, failover, switchover concepts. We'll be learning about HA setup activities, automatic and manual failover concepts, various use case scenarios for your job work. Then we'll be learning about PG pool, REPMGR, PATRONI. These are all the various extensions and modules we have in Postgres, and few other additional extension tools as well. We'll be learning about various concepts pertaining to DR process, DR drills, HS strategies, high availability strategies, tools and software techniques. Further, we will be teaching you in detail the performance tuning across all aspects of databases, tables, columns, rows, specific data level security, encryptions and tuning, etc. This unmatched curriculum also involves migrations, manual, automated, scheduled, on-demand, ad hoc, various types of migrations, upgrades and patching concepts as well. Once we learn all these items, then comes the last final topic, that is monitoring and reports. Here comes the concept of various monitoring methods including Grafana, PG Badger and few more. Once we complete this core Postgres DBA activities, then we'll be proceeding for Azure, the second module. Here we'll be teaching you from scratch the Azure concepts, cloud fundamentals, then proceed for Postgres SQL database migration to Azure, common migration issues, solutions, security concepts. We'll be learning about how to optimize the performance. We are going to learn step by step in great detail. Then comes the concept of VM, virtual machines, AKS and few other options. We'll be taking Azure management, migrations, monitoring, tuning concepts, including the CRUD operations, the basic DML, DDL, DCL, TCL operations. We are going to learn about migration issues in depth, at length. And this is very, very important concept for us in this module. We have backups and automations, restores and PIT are point in time recovery in Azure. We are going to learn about the concept of tuning activities with AI, artificial intelligence, taking AI search help. We'll be learning how to optimize Postgres DBA. We'll be learning about high availability and disaster recovery in Azure Postgres. We'll be learning about DRIA drills, Azure services and the best practices. What more you want? We are also here to provide you a real-time project for your resume, one project for everyone. In case if you want more, we are sure to provide you the second project as well to showcase more in your resume. Come on, consider us for your Postgres DBA course if you are looking for in-depth step-by-step training classes. Consider us if you are looking for utmost care in your learning process with daily assignments and weekly mock interviews. I repeat, daily assignments and weekly mock interviews we are here to provide you. So reach us now. Let's learn more about the course and also attend for a couple of intro classes. Interact with our trainers. We have nice, certified and very interactive, talented trainers with us. Just interact with them. Attend for a couple of classes before you decide to shape your resume. Thank you so much and have a nice time. See you there in our actual live classes. Bye-bye. Take care.